If you're experiencing issues with PUBG Multiplayer not working, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official PUBG website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your gaming device can resolve connectivity issues. Turn off your console or PC, wait a few moments, and then power it back on. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that you have the latest version of PUBG installed. Check for updates in your game launcher or console store and install any available updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Run a speed test and try resetting your router if you notice any issues. A wired connection is often more reliable than Wi-Fi for gaming. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, your firewall or antivirus software can block the game from connecting to the servers. Check your settings to ensure that PUBG is allowed through the firewall and that your antivirus is not interfering with the game. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the multiplayer issues in PUBG. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.